Hey, what's up guys? This is Late Bliss Studios. My name is Taylor, and today I'm going to show you how I organize all of my samples into Ableton. So what you guys probably have going on in your places over here is a bunch of sample packs, folders that have your samples in it, which you add by adding a folder. You find your sample pack, right? And you click it, select folder, right? What that does is just make a huge mess over here, and you're not going to easily find your 808s that you like. You're not going to find, a hi-hat that you need quickly. So what we're going to do today is consolidate all of that and categorize it into folders so that you don't need to go searching for stuff anymore, and it really improves your workflow. This will take a little bit of time, but I assure you that it's a very good move and it'll save you a lot of time in production. So I'm going to show you how to do that right here. So you're going to open File Explorer, and this is just where I put all my samples, but you're going to decide where you're going to put all of your samples, and you're going to make a folder called Music Production, or whatever you want to call it. I call my Music Production. And in that folder, you're going to make a bunch of folders that contain all of your samples. So I have a few different ones, but this is my drum folder, and all my drum hits are going to be categorized in here. So I recommend in your drums you make 808 folder, clap folder, all that jazz. In your effects, you can do your white noise risers, right? I'm just kind of showing you an example of how I categorize all of my samples. So now you're going to open a new window that contains, or you got to navigate to all of your samples where they're currently at, and you're going to go through all of your samples and find all of your 808s, right? And what I do is rename each sample pack samples so that the first word is the sample pack. That way, when you go into your drums, into your 808s, you can find a certain sample pack if you're looking for that still. So that's how I do that. So once you rename all of them, you're going to select them all, you're going to drag and drop all of them into your new folder. And once you're done with that, you'll go back to Ableton, and you're going to add a folder, right? And you're going to go to that new main folder that you just made called Music Production. You're going to hit it, and you're going to hit select folder. That way now you have your music production folder in Ableton, and you can just go and find, oh, I need a drum sample, I need a kick. And here's all my kicks. Here's the cinematic kicks. Here's the Kyle beat kicks. You can easily find everything that you need right here, right on the fly. So I hope that helps you. If there's any questions, you can leave them in the comments, and I'll be glad to help you guys. But thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.